singing this song is because my mum had brought us up and taught us to read and write. What's it all about? Alfie? Is it just the moment we live? What's it all about when you sort it out, Alfie? Are we meant to take more than we give? Or are we meant to be kind and if only fools are kind, Alfie, then I guess it is wise to be cruel. And if life belongs only to the strong, Alfie, what would you bet on an old golden rule? And sure as I believe there's a heaven above, Alfie, I know there's something much more, something even non-believers can't believe in. I believe in love, Alfie. Without true love, we just exist. Alfie, until you find the love you missed, you're nothing, Alfie. When you won't let your heart lead the way, or you'll find love any day. Thank you.
Oh, well done, Beth. Well done, girl. Zoe, what do you think?
Wow, Beth, I said this to Kiara earlier and I can't believe how far you've come in such a short space of time. This is my favourite, definitely my favourite of yours so far, and personally I think is your best vocal to date. It was so pretty, like the light and shade, the timing, it was spot on. And like your belt was so thick and well controlled. I was like, wow, and your head voice bits and they were so pretty and stunning. Well done, that was an amazing performance.
Kelly?
Yeah, I agree with Zoe. I think it was your best vocal today. The amount of control that you needed to sing that song, there was so many up and down notes. You had to go from up there straight down, and you completely nailed that. And again, like Zoe picked up with your belt, it was so thick, it was so powerful. There was just a lot of variety. You showed off a lot of different traits of your voice. And I think your mum's going to be over the moon. I think she's going to love that when she sees it.
She does, yeah.
Yeah, that was fantastic. You did yourself proud, lovely. Well done.
Ben, like, it's all, look, that, in terms of vocal ability then, there was parts in that and elements throughout that I kept going, because I was like, oh, I didn't know she had that in there. So you showed me tonight parts of your voice that you can do. I even noticed, I don't know if you recognised it, but there was a note you done, and you, I don't know if you meant to on the original, but you flipped into your head voice a little bit.
Yeah.
Take advantage of that. Don't shy away from that part of your voice.
No.
Because you've got that there, I can hear that it's there, and you seem quite natural to go into it. It's the only thing, like with you, is that self-esteem sort of problem where you think, and you worry, and you overthink things, and you overthink, and that's okay. That's not a problem. But obviously, as an artist, like out after this, if you ever want to start gigging yourself, things like that, these are things you've got to start to work on in the background yourself. So keep working on that, how you control yourself up there. All right, because that is it is quite an emotional song. So instead of like smiling that in between, you need to get in the zone, you know, and make it more vulnerable. But little things like that you can work on in time.
Yes.
In terms of vocal ability, that's why I stood for you, was because there was parts that you haven't shown me yet that you showed me tonight which I didn't know you had. So I was really impressed by them extra parts that you put in there, because I was like, whoa, I didn't know she had that in her range. You should be proud of yourself. I think you've done really well for your mum tonight too, picking that song with her. And yeah, you should be really proud of what you showed us tonight, 'cause you showed me another part to your voice.